All right, A-level mathematicians, we've got a quick question here on the discriminant. Check those key skills. This is something that pops up in lots of different types of question and with lots of other topics when you're asked to do different things with the roots of a quadratic. So we have our equation px squared minus 8x plus 8 minus p equal to 0. And we're told that that has one real root. We want to find out what the value of p would therefore have to be. So we know then that when we're talking about the number of roots for our equation, whether that's 2, 1, or no real roots, we're talking about the discriminant. So really helpful to then write down what A, B, and C actually are, particularly when you've got multiple parts or parts where they're made up of two things. So here I've got A equals P, my coefficient of x squared. I've got B equals minus 8, so a negative there. And then C is then the bit left on the end, which is 8 minus P. So it's both parts as part of C. So now I've done that, I can say minus 8 squared minus 4 times A times by C. And now I'm saying if that has to have one real root, if that's what my condition for my equation actually is, then I want my discriminant to equal 0. Now, if you're not sure why, and that's something you often get confused about, remember you can try out MyEdSpace now, 10 days for £10. You'll know with 100% certainty what you're doing with your discriminant. We'll talk about all that stuff and all the topics you need for your A-level maths. So check out the link in the bio, sign up there, and I hope to see you in some of those lessons real soon. But if we carry on from here, equal to 0 for one real root, we've got 64. Do a bit of simplifying here. So minus 4 times p times 8 gets us minus 32p. And then minus 4 times p times minus p is plus 4p squared. So it's still equal to 0. Can make life a bit easier by dividing everything by 4. So p squared minus 8p plus 16. Now I solve that as a normal quadratic. So in this case, I've got p in both brackets. I put a minus 4 and a minus 4. That gets me minus 8p and the plus 16. So I get only one possible value for p in this case. So that's the value that would make this equation up here have only one real root. Let me know in the comments if that's something that you often find a little bit tricky or if that's something that you've already mastered. Awesome stuff. Hit that like button and follow for more help with your A-level maths.